In this video, I'm going to show you how to create exploded view in SolidWorks. Now, if you want my free SolidWorks Core Skill Handbook, you can click on the link below and you can get it for free. In this lecture, we're going to show how to create exploded view of the assembly. So here we have this vise, and now we want to create exploded view of this assembly. To do that, we can go to Assembly tab, and here we have option Exploded View. So let's choose this one. And here we have two options. Explode step type. We can go here with a regular step, translate and rotate, or here we can go with radial step. So first we're going to go with regular step here. Here we're going to see our explode steps, and here we have to choose explode step components. So the first component will be this one. And now here we have this triad. We can go to X direction, Y and Z. As well, we can rotate this component. So if we click and we drag a mouse, we can rotate this. Let's click again here. If we click on the Y direction or Z or X, then we can move along this axis like this. And now here we can see explode steps. We have explode step 1 and 2. If we open this, we can see that explode step 1 is part 4 and explode step 2 is also part 4. Now let's choose this component here. Let's go with this component along Y direction, like this. And now here we have explode step 3. We can also open this. We can see here, this is the part 3. And our last step will be this component. So let's click on this one and let's go along X axis like this. And now here we have explode step 4. If we open this, this is the part 2. Now we can click OK. And now here we have exploded view. And now you might be thinking, well, I can do this without using exploded view. Yes, but if you want to go back to initial state of your assembly, you can just click here on the exploded view and you're back. Now if you click OK, now you can see that your assembly has the same relations as before. And there's a second way how we can create exploded view. So let's go to exploded view again. Now we're going to choose radial step. So here we have exploded steps, and here we're going to choose explode step component. So the first component will be this one. So let's click here. Now let's try to move. And now as you see, you can now choose the angle in which direction you want to move this component. So let's go here around 70 degrees. And now here we have this arrow, and now let's drag this component like this. And now here we have explode step 1 of the part 4. Now let's click on this one here and this one here. And now if we click on this arrow, we drag this arrow like this. Now both components go to different directions like this. And now here we have explode step 2 of the part 2 and part 1. If you want to go back, you can go here undo like this. But let's move them as we had before, like this. And now we can just click OK. And now this is our exploded view. If we want to go back again, we can just simply click here, exploded view, and we are back. And every mates are defined as they were before. So this is how you build exploded view in Assembly SolidWorks. And if you want my free SolidWorks handbook, you can click on the link below and you can get it for free.